Hello everyone, this week's trade is Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin nearing the final phase of correction, or are we witnessing the early stages of a deeper trend reversal masked as a dip? Let's check the technicals. Bitcoin's decline resembles the previous two major corrections seen during the current bull cycle. Sharp sell-offs following extended consolidations and breaks below key psychological levels before stabilizing. Historically, those corrections were supported by strong accumulation, enabling rapid rebounds. Why this time could be different? What worries us now is the absence of a broad market dip buying, and the loss of the long-term ascending trendline signal a clear deterioration in bullish momentum. Bitcoin is currently trading 15% below the 200-day moving average and below the lower boundary of its long-term channel. Also, the cross of the 200, 100, and 20 moving averages is giving another strong bear signal. Instead of an accumulation weakness, US Bitcoin ETFs recorded more than $1 billion in net outflows last week, a major sentiment reversal. So ETF selling, weak on-chain demand, cooling option positioning, it definitely adds pressure on short-term recovery expectations. But let's check the 1-hour chart. We can see a well-defined descending channel, reinforcing the bear structure. Repeated failures to reclaim 97,000, it's a strong rejection at the broken trend line. Since then, we can see a clean descending channel. The lower boundary sits around $88,000 to $89,000, very close to current trading levels, marking a critical intraday zone. A recovery attempt could push prices to retest the upper boundary of the downtrend around 92,500. The key levels to watch. Bitcoin is now trading near 90,000, sitting below the lower edge of its long-term channel. Continuous weakness below this level could unlock deeper downside toward 88,000 and 82,500, which align with Fibonacci retracement levels and major historical price reaction zones. A recovery may attempt a $92,500 retest, but a move above $97,000 to $100,000 is required to stabilize sentiment.